Here we have a Volkswagen Tiguan 2-litre TDI 150 PS Tech R-Line Edition. Now, as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include adaptive cruise control with front assist, a Discover navigation system, tinted rear windows, and park assist with optical front and rear parking sensors. It also comes with 19-inch Mallory alloy wheels, as well as a spacious boot with a spare wheel. The interior includes 2-zone climate control, wireless app connect, and heated front seats with electrical driver's lumbar support. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.